For this procedure, I use the 10mm socket, a T20 Torx, a small pliers, a flathead screwdriver, a trim remover tool, and a bicycle brake cable. To check the wires, first you need to remove the spoiler. You must remove these 5 protecting caps using the screwdriver or the trim tool. After you removed the caps, you must undo these screws and clips. To remove the spoiler, pull it towards you. To disconnect the wires, you need to remove the diversity antenna cover. Remove these screws using a T20 Torx. After you remove the cover, disconnect the plugs. I have no wires to repair right now, but I've had in the past and I will show you how I repaired mine without cutting the sleeve. After I removed the insulation of the cables, you can see the wires passing through the sleeve. Pull each one and see if they are broken. Pull and remove the sleeve of the window. Lift the tailgate and remove the sleeve also from the other end. In order not to cut the sleeve, I used the bicycle brake cable that I bent at the end, creating a loop. The cable being strong, I inserted it into the sleeve through the top and I played with it until it came out through the bottom. Once I got to the other side, I tied the cable through the loop, tied it well with the insulator so it wouldn't escape, and I pulled it to the other side. After I crossed the cable, I restored the connections and insulated them. Put back the sleeve. Now you can insulate the wires and you can install the spoiler. Connect the plugs, arrange the wires and put back the cover. Tighten all screws well so no water can get inside. The spoiler must fit with these two guidons and it slides in. Put all the clips and screws in place. Now you can put back the protective caps. The soft ones comes in the middle and the harder ones on the side.
Thank you for watching. If it was useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. For any questions, you can leave a comment and I will try to answer all of you.